But unfortunately, the terror tactics are working. Terrorists systematically targeted Kashmir's minority. Remember Makhanlal Bindru, a Kashmiri Pandit pharmacist, to Deepak Chand, a school teacher from Jammu, to Supinder Kaur, a Sikh school principal in Srinagar, and then Virendra Paswan, a street cart vendor only earning his livelihood in Kashmir. All of them has had a desiring impact by the terrorists. Kashmiri Hindus have started to flee. They remember fled first in 1990, and for many it is a reminder in 2021. Sunil G. Bhatt with this ground report from Jammu.
This is Jammu's Jagti refugee camp, a township for rehabilitated Kashmiri Pandits. Since the past few days, several Kashmiri Pandit families have been arriving here from the valley, driven by fear.
In 1990, there was mass exodus of the Hindus. Almost the entire community was made to leave their homes by the terrorists. And many are saying that the situation that was prevailing in 1990 is once again being repeated by the terrorists in the Kashmir Valley.
But a spate of killings of Kashmiri Pandits in the last week has led to a fresh exodus from the valley. The targeted killings began with the 68-year-old renowned chemist Makhanlal Bindru being gunned down in his shop. Then a teacher, Deepak Chand, was picked out and shot dead in a school premises in Srinagar along with Sikh principal.
कि आज से 90 फिर से रिपीट हो रहा है। जैसे 90 में कंप्लीटली टारगेट किया गया कश्मीरी पंडितों को, आज 31 साल के बाद फिर से कश्मीरी पंडितों को ही टारगेट बनाया जा रहा है।
भारत सरकार को भी देखना चाहिए इन्होंने कितनी कुर्बानियां देश के लिए दे दी, उस हिसाब से चलना चाहिए। कश्मीरी पंडितों के मसले जो है वो हल करना चाहिए। अभी तक जेर गौर भारत सरकार मतलब सीरियस नहीं ले रहा है।
The Kashmiri Pandits who have stayed back in the valley have demanded security from the state government. They have rebuilt their lives after the horrors of the 1990s and don't want to flee their homes again. The onus, they say, is on the government to protect their lives and property. With Sunil Ji Bhatt from Jammu, Bureau Report, India Today.